to the fullback, help sack Hooker.
I think it's one light is a foul. Think about it. Hey, we're on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Dalen made some really big plays, plays big in big situations. You know, had a couple of TFLs. Going out there, putting the fire out, running to the fight, as we call it. Obviously proud of Luther. First 100-yard game. He was really hard to tackle. I thought he was really good in punt returns. I thought he did a nice job.
Cook's pass complete.
Cody Schrader went over 4,000 yards for his career, which there's only 3 backs in college football right now that have active 4,000 yards. So really proud of him.
Touchdown run by number 12. Number 11, Nicholas.
Brady looked right down the barrel and made a great throw. I thought really busted us open in the third quarter, gave us some good momentum there.
Brady Cook's pass complete.
Not disappointed in, we've clearly identified some guys that are playmakers for us. I thought Theo Weiss's catch was unbelievable on the goal line. I thought he really played big. We got to give him more opportunities to play big for us. We motioned into a stack, and it's an option route for Theo, and he was able to break out based off leverage. It really was a heck of a throw, but he was able to extend his hands, make a contact catch. Really proud of Nate. He did show up big time in the pass game. So combined, I think he's right at 100 yards all purpose, which is good. He was 14 of 19 with 2 touchdowns. I thought he did a really nice job throwing the ball. out there and finished the game with the ball in our hand, I think is a real positive moving forward.
Beat dog.